Hi, this is Dr. Siobhan Horvath, your Soundwave chiropractor here in Jacksonville, Florida. On this channel, we learn how precise and gentle adjustments to your spine can transform not just your health, but your entire life. When you think of chiropractic, you probably think of people getting their back cracked. You hear those videos, and some of you love it and some of you hate it. Well, on this channel, we talk about a very specific type of care called upper cervical care. And in this type of upper cervical care, there's no twisting, no popping, no cracking. There's a sound wave adjustment in your neck that you don't even feel. What I'm trying to say is it's very gentle. And it's one of many different types of chiropractic, and all chiropractic works, but this is what we focus on this channel. And this channel is meant to be educational for my patients and for anybody who wants to learn about this type of care. Please keep in mind, this is my very first video I'm filming, so bear with me. Upper cervical care focuses specifically on aligning the head with the neck and the top two bones in the spine. So why these bones, you ask? Well, they play a crucial role in how your postural muscles interact with the rest of your body. So misalignments here can lead to pain anywhere from your neck to your back, even down to your legs. This is because the body has a mechanism known as the righting reflex. So the brain will sense if the head is off center, it will tell the muscles along the spine to pull to bring the head back up. It'll do that in your traps, it'll do that in your mid back, it'll do that in your low back. So as these muscles work to pull the head up, you can start to have muscle pain. But even worse, when these muscles start to pull for a long time and they're attached to the other bones in your spine, they'll actually start to pull other bones in your spine out of place. Now what happens when the bones in the spine move out of place is they irritate nerves. And those nerves go to muscles, so it can cause more muscle pain, but they also go to different organs in your body, so they can lead to dysfunction. So somebody may experience low back pain, but at the same time they'll have trouble with constipation, because nerves from that area of the spine can cause both symptoms. That's how a problem here can lead to low back pain and other issues. Additionally, and although I won't be covering it in this video specifically, misalignments in this area can also affect blood flow in and out of the brain, as well as cerebral spinal fluid flow in and out of the brain, which has effects as wide-ranging as dizziness, vertigo, migraines, and brain deteriorating diseases like Alzheimer's, dementia, and more. But for now, let's talk about how upper cervical care works. So this approach aims to restore the alignment of these critical bones that are surrounding the brainstem. So when that alignment is improved, the muscles can relax, and also the bones in the spine can start to shift a little on their own and take tension off the nerves in other places. So patients often report different reactions after upper cervical care. Some notice immediate relief from headaches, low back pain, neck pain, while others will feel a boost in energy. And it's really fascinating to see how different people react. And here's what just a few of our patients had to say in our office.
It's kind of like this weird euphoric feeling, like I was high on oxycodone.
The first day after, there was a tiny bit of soreness, but by the second and third day, I had a lot of relief. And it's been a great experience for me, and I feel better than I did way better than I did when I started.
Then the next day, I woke up in the least amount of pain I've been in 20 years.
So after my first adjustment, the pain in my neck really went away, and then I noticed a lot more mobility in my lower back. It was quite amazing just to be able to know that just a little ting, and I feel like 35-40% better just off the rip.
So how do you do this? Well, there's different techniques. Some people will use their hands. Some people will use a tool. Some people will use a lot of force. Some people will use very little force. In our case, we use a sound wave adjustment in the neck. Now, this video is not a video where I'll explain exactly how that works, but please stay tuned, subscribe if you want to see that video. It will be coming soon. We use a sound wave adjustment. A sound wave is essentially a percussion wave. And so we apply that at the right angle to make that movement of the bone that we want. And so it's very gentle. It also allows us to access different areas that we couldn't previously, because in chiropractic care, if you can't touch the bone, you can't move the bone. But luckily with Soundwave, we can actually pass through certain bones to hit the ones that we want to, so we're less limited by anatomy. In our case, after we adjust, we also pay attention to your post-scan results to help us track your progress and learn more about your specific alignment. Now, upper cervical care is just the beginning of your journey. While it's essential to focus on this area because it affects the postural muscles, which will pull all the other bones out of place potentially, other bones in your spine also require attention. So once we achieve proper alignment in this region, it becomes easier to then adjust the rest of the spine because the muscles aren't resisting that pull. So when spinal bones are misaligned, just like I had explained, it can lead to pain in various areas and dysfunction. Like I had made the low back example, you could also have mid-back pain that accompanies digestive issues. That isn't uncommon. Again, improving the alignment of all your bones are going to leave you healthier and happier. That's a pretty short video. We will be explaining more, but that's it for me today. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful for yourself or somebody you know, please subscribe and share. Chiropractic miracles happen every day, and most people discover chiropractic through a friend. If you're ready to experience the benefits of our unique Soundwave upper cervical chiropractic here in Jacksonville, Florida, visit our website or call us to book your appointment. Your journey to health begins the moment you decide to take action. Have a good one.